Tangle, rip, maim, crush. You've probably heard horror stories of people being maimed or killed from machinery in their workplaces. These things actually happen. The guy whose torn shirt dragged him into the roller, or the guy cleaning the auger without locking it out, or the saw blade. We know you work with machinery every day, and we know you're competent, but so were most of the guys at the root of those stories. Just one slip-up. Here are the rules when working with machinery. Treat the equipment with the respect it deserves. If you've not been trained to use it, don't. Guarding is fitted for very good reason. Please don't remove it because it's easier to work without it. Lock out equipment before cleaning or maintaining it. If you don't know the formal lockout procedure, ask. Complacency and shortcuts around machinery cause the majority of accidents. Don't be that accident other people talk about.